What are you expecting inside the ocean park?
Ooh, wow!
How about Gon Gon?
And now, dahil nga nakapag-book na tayo, mapakita lang natin yung ticket.
I'm not smart anymore.
What?
Yeah!
There's penguin. So, to the camera, Tito Pops. What are those? Penguin. Yeah. Hello. Hello. I
No
don't.
more buying, okay? If you go there inside, you promise to the camera, no buying.
Promise.
Okay.
Promise, you promise.
Promise.
I will not ask mommy to buy.
I not
Ask mommy
to buy.
anything. Okay ha? You promise it to the camera ha? Expect ko, walang bayad si Gon. Siyempre. Tapos, more than 2 feet pa pala itong si Gon. Matangkad pala siya sa inaakala ko. So, meron siyang bayad. 750 pesos instead of 680 lang or free. Ito yung kay Go. Ito yung sa baby. Ayan, kinlook ko na lang. Wala kaming ano? Wala kaming banner. Wala naman. QR code. Sige, thank you. What is this?
Oh, it has feet.
It's on Minecraft.
Look.
Minecraft again?
It's walking.
It's
What kind of fish is this?
You don't like to have a picture on the big fish? Give.
what? It's in Minecraft.
Minecraft ka lang, Minecraft.
There's a character from Minecraft.
Yeah. There's a black one. There's a big one.
There, the big fish. It's okay, we won't bite you.
Hey, it's big.
Oh.
Hindi na ko pa tinuturuan. You stand here, you stand here.
Yeah, it's so big.
Para pa here.
You like that?
Kung pakiyakyat si Gib dito.
Ew! Why
Okay.
is
It's okay, you look at me. Look at me. Oh, you stand here.
Asan ko?
Stand here. Stand up.
Woo! Kagat ka niya!
I don't like to eat that.
Stand up.
Do you want to eat that? You like fishes, right?
Look at the fish.
Look na fish.
But I don't like to eat those because we're going to the
Uy! Woo!
It's going after you.
Woo! Ganda niyo.
Looking, oh.
Is that real? Guys, ang laki ng hito. Parang ngayong kainin pag ganyan kalaki. Tignan mo. Gusto niya yung ganyan.
Nalala ko tuloy nung nagano kami. Parang mga ganyang kalaki yung dumundun sa ako.
O, tignan natin kung hito talaga siya. Ay, oo nga, catfish siya. Yay! Hindi, gurami. Black taco. Predator fish.
Ay, huwag mo kain, mami. This one, no? This one, no? Ang cute. Di ba sila yung janitor?
Parang janitor fish.
Hindi yung tignan.
Pakita mo kay Mami.
Ew!
Ano si Mami?
Ew! What are those?
Mami. Pakita ko kay Mami.
I don't know.
You look first ko ba?
Tingnan yung mate. Akala niya bulate. Ayaw niya ng bulate. Hindi ko nakita yung pangalan.
Seahorse. Why they are straight? Ano seahorse?
May seahorse?
Seahorse ba yan? Bakit may seahorse?
What is that over there?
They are resting.
Look, that thing is, it's
This one,
look
oh.
like this one.
They looks like this
What
warrior
happened?
seahorse.
Look at, there's so many seahorse there. Look.
Pag humarap, alam mo yung maliit yung mukha nila? Hindi sila tumitingin.
Oh, wait lang, wait lang.
What's the muscles?
No, look, there's a cave there. There's a cave.
Yeah, but those are corals.
Ano reaction si Don? Don, ganun. Kasi natin yung tip. There's the other side.
There's another starfish.
Let me put you up.
Hey, hindi pwede.
Oh, you just look. There, the other shark. Okay.
What's that? What's that on the horn?
I don't know.
Why is moving his mouth like that?
Nemo. So many Nemos.
Look, that's a red fish.
This is Nemo, the small one.
Look at this one. Look at the corals. Look at the corals. They're moving.
Oh, they're alive.
Oh, look at the corals. Oh, they're alive.
Those are mega.
That's their house. The corals.
That's the mega.
What big?
Guys, rambutan.
How about this one?
Because we don't know the name, so we will call them rambutan.
What's that? What's that?
You want to touch that, Gid?
No, it's underwater. So they lock us out because. Oh, there's a bumper fish. There's a bumper fish. Look, there's a bumper fish. Ew! Why is so big?
Parang ano?
Parang dilis din na ano. Yun lang yung fin nila, yung sa paa.
Parang silang dilis. Parang ang sarap kainin.
Give, look at
Oh, look at his mouth on his ears. What happened to his mouth? What happened to his mouth? What happened?
Siyempre, hindi pwedeng mawala ang shark. Small shark. Eh, meron naman malaking shark. There's a big shark. Meron?
there, oh.
No, this is a big shark.
Give. It's coming. It's coming here, give. It's coming here, give. No, it's not.
What is it?
Oh, I look, it's coming here. You want to say hi to the shark? There? There, oh.
What is it?
There, oh, that big one. That big one.
there's a big one. Ah, it's getting to us.
Yeah.
Oh,
It's coming.
Yung mga shark, ano din, nagpa-park din sila. Ay, nakapark sila ngayon. Yung isa umalis na. Guys, nagaling sana sila lahat. Ganyan sila natutulog. Nakapark. What did you promise? What did you promise? Kasi may mga merch. So, let's see kung natandaan ni Gib yung promise niya. What did you promise a while ago? That there's no
Dad.
huh? There's no banning.
No, Dad.
Okay, very good naman. You wanna try?
No. Oh, Mommy, look at that.
Ayaw.
Ew.
Ayaw.
Ma, tingin mo sa akin.
Sumunod pa, ano?
Di man ako yun talaga.
Ay, hindi ka kinagat. Ako kinagat. Oh, it's biting me. They're eating my head. Look at my head. They hit me.
Gan.
Nakakakilit dito. Yung doon sa kabila, yung lakas nga.
Mawawala yung kalyo mo.
They're eating my head, dude. Oh no, I don't have a head anymore. You want to
You wanna try? You wanna try?
No.
How about Gon? Let's see. Gon naman. Gon naman. Gon. Hindi man takot yung Gon na yan. Siyempre mag-alcohol tayo.
Give takutin siya.
Siyempre, hindi takutin yun.
No, let's go outside, go.
Ito ba?
Kabila.
Basta ka.
Sinabi naman
Ito
sa
lang kasi.
kabila eh.
Kabila kasi.
Tayo nakikinig eh. This is the... Hoy, wait lang! Baka si Mami.
Wala na, iwan na si Mami.
Dali, tawagin mo natin nanay natin. Baka di niya alam saan tayo pupunta. Wait lang, hintayin niyo ako.
Yes, Mom.
Dali mo yung nanay ko.
Narayan po tayo po mga every attraction po.
Ha?
Narayan po tayo every attraction.
Ah, nanay ko eh. Wait lang.
Ay, naiwan po kayo. Hindi na lang po natin dito, Mom.
Ma! Ma! Ay! No re-entry eh. Dito tayo lalabas. So, nung college, naalala ko, dito yung mga spa fish. Masat yung minamassage yung feet mo. So, tingnan natin kung nandito pa rin. Ay, nandito pa rin yata. So, naalala ko may bayad. 100 pesos per 30 minutes. Palagi ko wala na. Ganito na lang siya. Ah, inalisan nila. Siguro inalisan nila. Ah, dito pala eh. Alright. Medyo ang amoy na lang dito. Amoy dagat. Excited si Gib kung pumunta ng penguin. Gib. Where are you going? You want to see the what? The penguin. Umihi muna. Si Gon. Sabi ko, akit lang tayo. Ayun, yung bata. Anong ka buling maglakad?
Sabi naman yan.
Dapat sa Hong Kong, ganyan eh. Hindi siya malulunod lakad dun eh.
Gan, walk.
Sige, walk ka.
Sige, para di na mapagod yung tatay mo. Mabagal lang tayo.
Saan papalit muna tayo?
Sige, Bal. Baka sige, nakakapagod.
Give! Wait for us!
Ito, Timeka. Ba, ito yung kanina eh.
Oh, tingin kanina.
Gone?
Look.
Look at the penguins ko.
Look at the penguin. Hindi, 700 pesos yan. Patabalay. Wow.
Oh.
Huwag ka muna. Ito lang yung ano mo. Sabi.
Oh, look at the
Remember when you were a baby, you're mimicking their walk? Remember
You
that?
walk like a soldier, like this.
Oh, how do you walk like a penguin? Remember that? You forgot? When you were
No.
2 years old?
Now I am afraid of that one.
Those are just soldiers. Oh, they're swimming. Oh, look. Look. Ito oh. Naglulublob siya.
Para lang pala silang itik. Ito.
Ay, mama.
Huwag kain sila.
Malabo yung ano ko eh.
Look at that.
Look at that. Oh, they are eating, di ba?
That's how they swim. Pasok na po kami sa Christmas village. Walang masabi dito sa Christmas village. Pagod na.
Falling down. Oh, come on.
Let's see. What's inside?
Don't be afraid.
Oh. Let's learn new language. Maligayang Pasko. In South Korea is Sungtan Chokha. In Hapon, Merry Kuri Subasuba. Kaya natin yung ano. Feliz Navidad. Yun. Sa Mexico pala yun. Feliz Navidad. And Merry Christmas. At least, nakalimutan ko ng Korean. Feliz Navidad lang yung nalala ko.
Tingnan lang.
Wala pa. Sabi niya, Mommy, I won't look at them. Kasi nandito kami sa store. Ayun siya. Pero tinitira niya. Pero sabi niya, di niya tipot na. Remember your promise? Remember your promise? Huh? You will just look at them?
But I want to see them with different.
See what's there.
We're going to jellyfish.
Bakit ka, lakad?
Hindi nga, ako magulula. Pero enjoy naman. Amoy dagat na naman. Jellyfish na to. You want to see jellyfish?
Jellyfish?
What is it?
Jellyfish. Manag ka tapang show.
Sama-sama
Ako naman si Mami. Manag tayo. Sila paggabi maganda dito. Nalala ko dito ng ano, dito kami kumain. Nag-field trip kami.